Right, there you have it, folks. I am taking off the wheels, changing the parts, because they've now got finished. The disc is still all right, but the parts are gone. Now I'm going to take also the tires at the back and put them to the front. So if you don't know how to change the discs and the brake pads, there is one of the videos I've already made. Look at one of the videos about how to change this. I don't think it's necessary for me to do it again because I've already done it. There is a video, it's already on YouTube, how to change the parts, the rear parts and the rear disc brakes. I don't think I have a video changing the brake pads in front. So what I will do is I'll make a video changing the ones in front. Remember last time when we were changing the parts, we needed this tool at the back because this is electric handbrake. It uses an electric handbrake and you need this tool to wind them, the piston on the brake calipers backwards. So if you don't know how to do it, there is a video already. I don't have to make another video. Okay, there's a video already on YouTube about changing the discs and the pads, in an Insignia, the rear disc and pads, but I don't have a video for the ones in front. So I will make that video today and show you how it goes. Now the easiest way to see if your parts are finished is by going to just show you. You go here, you check brake fluid. When brake fluid is gone, as you can see, it's really low. That means your parts are gone, unless it's leaking. But I don't have any leaks on brake fluid, both on clutch and on brakes. So the reason it's gone is because the parts are too low. So that's another way to check them out. Yeah, that's another way. Another way is you can try to another way to check is by if you have rims like these, you can try to look. It's not easy, but I mean you can tell a little bit there that pad is gone. I mean, I'll show you after taking off the wheel and the pads, just show you exactly how much they've finished. So but for me, I check the brake fluid. I look at the brake fluid. When it's too low, I know they're gone. I don't have to take off this to check. I just know that they're gone. Okay, right, the wheel is off. I've taken out the bolt that holds the caliper, so it's going to be coming out. So as you can see, it's going very well. The wheel is off. Right, there is the pad. It's all gone now. It's not. There's about maybe 4% left, but being a taxi, when you take off brakes, just do all of them once. Every 4 months you'll be coming here anyway. So now that's the new one. Look how big it is. This is the one that just came out, so you can see for yourself. They've gone. I'm left with about maybe 5%, but I wouldn't want to waste time coming here. It's very cold. Just change, put new ones, and you go for another 5 months, remove them, put another one. Very easy. Okay, so for me, they were not even yet touching here. There's a little pin here that touches to tell you that they're getting too low. I don't have to wait for that. when I change brakes, change all of them at once and then move on. This, you don't want to change the front ones and then 3 weeks later or a month later then you change the rear ones. Why not just change? You take a day off to do the cars for business and do everything, go back to work. Don't keep on coming, do this and then run around and then you come back, do and just change, put them again. 5 months, I'll be here again. That's it. And don't forget, because this is electric handbrake, there's a tool that you put here, then you spin it, it goes back in there. So I'll show you once again. I already have a video about it, I'll show you again. Right, the parts are in now. Let me just do this. Sometimes I deal with DIYers on YouTube, so it's best to show them. The piston has been moved back. Don't worry about this rubber, it's just for dust. As this turns around, it will just come back up. It doesn't hold anything, it's just cover. It's a cover for dust. So, but as you can see, they are there. The parts, they're already there. So you just put this back in and you put that back. This is a 13mm spanner. You need a 13mm for that. There. Here. Don't tighten them very, very hard. It's enough because it's all right. So it's in there. Again, look how thin they are. Them two. They're all gone. Taking them this time means in 5 months' time I'll be here again. 5 months or 6 months, whatever comes first, I don't know. I'll be here again, put new ones. Now, I finished doing this, so I'm going to take that tire, that wheel, and put it here because the treads gets finished very fast when you are in front. So I need that wheel there to come here because the treads on it are very low. I'll show you. Right now we're doing the front ones. These are very easy to do. Just remove that, the caliper goes down, and you use a screwdriver to push the piston on. That's it. That easy, very, very easy. Now remember at the back you use a tool that's you screw while it's pushing the piston at the back. Here you use a screwdriver or anything to push the piston back like so. You just keep on pressing like this and it goes in very slowly. To make it go even much softer and easier, you open the reservoir, the brake fluid reservoir at the top there, and it helps reduce the pressure. So you use a screwdriver to just push it back in there. So as you can see here, it's gone back. So it's not that hard at all. Come on. Yeah, you remove this. You can do that way. As you can see, it has gone fully in. So just put it there like so. Be careful with them pipes, don't strain them. So, but if you have a cable or something to hold it, use it so that looks like you're twisting this pipe. That's a good idea. Right, look how thin they are. So thin. This is a taxi, man. It eats brake pads like it is eating butter or something. Very, very thin. I imagine that I just put these couple of weeks ago and they were huge. Amazing. Another thing is because I coast. I drive by coasting. Saves diesel. Look how the new ones are. How massive they are. And look at the old one. I mean, comparing the two. It's amazing. I'll be here again in about 4 months, changing them again. Right, finished. They're in. Put the grease, sanded them. I have a sander here, a file them so that they just move easily. Put grease, everything, bingo. It's all right. It's on gear, so don't think why it's not. Put it on gear so that it doesn't fall backwards. So done. Now I've taken this tire from the back, as you can see the tread here, a lot of treads, and this one has very less tread because it doesn't front. This guy is a front wheel drive, so it finishes tires in front faster than at the back, so it's in, covers everything is in. I'm going to put that one there and then turn the car around, do on the other side. Bye bye, take care.